everyone! Welcome to our channel! Today we have science and nature quiz for you. Join us in today's video for more knowledge. Let's get started. What is the largest mammal in the world? Elephant, blue whale, giraffe. It is blue whale. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. It's nitrogen. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. The correct answer is Saturn. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Earth, Mercury. The correct answer is Mercury. What is the smallest unit of life? Atom, molecule, cell. The correct answer is cell. What type of celestial body is the Sun? Planet, star, asteroid. The correct answer is star. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Neptune. The correct answer is Jupiter. What is the tallest mountain in the world? K2, Kangchenjunga, Mount Everest. The correct answer is Mount Everest. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel, elephant, llama. The correct answer is camel. Which chemical element has the symbol He? Hydrogen, helium, hafnium. The correct answer is helium. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? 90 degrees C, 100 degrees C, 110 degrees C. The correct answer is 100 degrees CC. Which planet is known for its prominent ring system? Uranus, Neptune, Saturn. And the correct answer is Saturn. What is the most common element in the universe? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon. And the correct answer is hydrogen. What type of rock is formed from molten magma? Sedimentary, metamorphic, igneous. And the correct answer is igneous. Which animal is known for having the most number of teeth? Shark, elephant, snail. The correct answer is snail. Which planet is known for its great red spot? Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. And the correct answer is Jupiter. Which tree is known for having the longest lifespan? Oak, sequoia, bristlecone pine. And the correct answer is bristlecone pine. Which planet has a day that is longer than its year? Venus, Mars, Mercury. And the correct answer is Venus. How did you do? Let's us your score in comments box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification button so you don't miss our any future quiz.